I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a patent search report. Start by defining the invention's novel features and setting a clear search objective. Gather keywords, classifications, and relevant inventors or assignees to guide database queries. Decide on scope, novelty, validity, or freedom to operate. Track databases searched and dates, then record results with claims mapping. Keep notes concise and organized for easy review and next steps. Develop a layered search strategy using keywords, classification codes, and inventor or assignee names. Start broad, then narrow with synonyms and technical terms to capture variations. Include patent databases and non-patent literature like journals and standards to avoid blind spots. Log search strings, filters, and results for transparency. Review top hits to refine queries and capture relevant prior art that maps to the invention's critical limitations. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make lab and desk lunches spill-free and stress-free during long search sessions. They stack neatly and save time between searches. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Organize results by relevance and map each document directly to claim elements to show overlap or gaps. For each reference, explain its teachings and why it supports or weakens novelty or inventive step. Rate the strength and importance of prior art and flag references that present the most risk. Summarize findings in plain language, include representative figures or quotes, and recommend next steps such as filing strategy or further searches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.